And before I hand over the floor to him, just a brief introduction about Professor Arman Rasool Faridi. Professor Arman Rasool Faridi is currently the chairperson of the Department of Computer Science, AMU Aligarh. And he has more than 25 years of teaching and research experience, both at UG and PG level. Professor Arman has completed his BSc degree from AMU, then completed his master's degree and PhD from the Department of Computer Science, Aligarh Muslim University, Aligarh. Professor Arman has been the President of India, Dr. Shankar Dayal Sharma Gold Medal Awardee for his overall achievements during his student life. Professor Faridi is an active researcher and has good number of publications to his credit. And till now, he has published more than 70 research papers in various journals of repute. Dr. Faridi, apart from that, is an active and valuable resource person and has delivered more than 150 invited lectures in various FDP and FIP programs, refresher courses, orientation program conducted by various UGC and HRDC across India. He has also very actively involved in academic counseling sessions of IT courses offered by IGNU and Center for Distance and Online Education, AMU. Apart from academics, he has been very actively involved in administrative and corporate life of AMU, and he has been once selected as AMU member of AMU court, and he has served as warden, assistant proctor, assistant DSW, several. He has been serving as in various capacities to the university, and he is part of member of various committees, high-powered committees constituted by the Honorable Vice Chancellor to look after the various administrative jobs over there. Professor Faridi is having a special interest in cultural activities, and he has served as president of various clubs, University Music Club, University Drama Club, University Film Club, University Western Music Club, and Hobbies Workshop of Cultural and Education Center, AMU Aligarh, which is the nucleus of co-curricular and extracurricular activities at AMU. He has also served as Deputy Coordinator of CEC. And currently he is Coordinator of E-Learning Programs at Center for Distance and Online Education, AMU. Presently, apart from serving as the Chairperson of Department of Computer Science, he is currently serving as Deputy Director Online Programs. And he is also looking after the CCTV setup of university in the capacity of University Coordinator of CCTV Surveillance System, and also serving as Deputy Proctor of AMU. So apart from, I mean to say, apart from academics, he has been involved in a lot of administrative and jobs, as well as in the corporate life of AMU. So with this brief introduction, I would like to request Professor Faridi to start the session, and I'm thankful to you, sir, for sparing your time to interact with the participants. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, sir, for a nice introduction. A very good afternoon, everyone. As Professor Asim says, I'm Dr. Arman Rasool Faridi, and I teach computer science, and I'm a student of computer science. So anyway, before I begin, I would start with a word of thanks to Dr. Faiza Abbasi, the director of UC HRDC MU, and Professor Asim Zafar, who is course coordinator for this online short-term course, Dr. Nazibur Rahman, host institution coordinator, Kaliachak College, Malda, West Bengal, for organizing collaborative online short-term course on very interesting topic, which is information and communication technology for teaching and learning. And I especially thank them for giving me an opportunity to speak on a very contemporary topic, which is a role of artificial intelligence in education. Dear I won't call you participants. In fact, we are all colleagues. So, dear colleagues, not very long ago, we saw the power of information and communication technology during the horrible period of COVID pandemic, when the entire world came to a standstill. The ICT came to the rescue and saved the academic interest and careers of millions of students and learners across the globe. And we, the teachers, also learned the use of modern technologies supporting online education in a rush. And today, the entire world is moving speedily towards digitization, and we have to learn new things using new technologies, because the lesson that we learned during pandemic has become a part of our day-to-day life. And now, as you can see that these online courses and many such webinars and seminars and conferences are now being organized in hybrid mode, both in online as well as offline mode. We are we are teachers, and the quality of teaching and the student learning, they are determined by the teachers who teach the students. A well-trained teacher with required knowledge, skills, and commitment can develop scientific and critical thinking among students, can promote tolerance and develop culture and social values in them. Innovative technologies will make it possible to achieve by providing new ways to the teachers. But these new technologies, they are placing more demands on teachers, on us, to learn how to use them in our teaching and learning processes. Hence, we as teachers have to meet these new challenges by continuously acquiring new knowledge and skills in order to discharge our duties effectively. As we embark on this journey into the future of education, it is imperative to acknowledge the pivotal role that artificial intelligence is all set to play in order to revolutionize the way we learn and the way we teach. And today, we stand at the intersection of technological innovation and educational transformation, where artificial intelligence presents boundless opportunities to reshape traditional pedagogical approaches and pave the way for a more personalized, adaptive, and inclusive learning experience for all. So in today's discussion or presentation, we shall explore how artificial intelligence is not just a tool, but it is a game changer in education, particularly in the context of India, where its potential impact is profound and far-reaching. We are a diverse nation with a population of over 1.4 billion, and we are number one in terms of population in the world. And a burgeoning youth demography. Majority of the Indians today are youth, and the average age is roughly around 24 to 25 years. And according to EY FICCI report, India has approximately 3.5 million students. I would like your attention, dear participants, dear colleagues, and I would request you to be ready with your pen and paper, because the things that we are discussing are very important, and that we'll discuss further are very, very important for us. So I was saying that approximately we have we have 3.5 million students in higher education, and as of 2024, we have over 1,000 universities in India, which includes 54 central universities, around 416 state universities, around 125 deemed universities, and around 361 private universities. And it also includes 165 institutes of national importance, which are catering to the needs of their students. And AMU is one of the institute of national importance. In 2030, means in future, we will have around 14 million students, which will amount to 4 times increase in demand. And in order to meet this demand, India would need 4 times the number of universities and colleges and teachers that we have today. That means it is almost an uphill task. So here in this case, the online education will play a wide role to make a digital bridge for aspirants who need education as per the 21st century needs. Ensuring quality education and equitable access to all is quite a challenging task. And herein lies the transformative power of artificial intelligence, which is poised to address the challenges and catalyze a paradigm shift in the Indian educational landscape. The integration of artificial intelligence in education represents unparalleled opportunities to elevate learning outcomes, to foster innovation and unlock the latent potential of every Indian learner, every Indian student. Therefore, for us, the teachers, capacity building has almost become mandatory for successful implementation of this educational change. We need to be ever ready to learn new things and build our capacity, especially the technological capacity to cater the needs using technological advancement and ICT and AI. So there is going to be a shift from traditional teaching learning methods to AI-enabled online teaching learning methods. And we need to be ready to accept these challenge, and we need to be ready to understand and learn the intricacies, the details of what these AI-based education have for the students and for us as a teacher, and why it is the future. So I share my presentation. I hope it is visible to you all. I just need your anybody, please tell me.
Yes, sir. It is visible.
It is clear, visible, everybody?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
Oh.
Role of AI in education.
Thank you. Say, I would request all of you to be ready with your pen and
Yes, sir.
your notebook. This is my request, and be attentive. See, most of the time in online mode, we remain casual. We just try to listen only. But I would request you to be a little alert. So, what we are going to do, the agenda for our discussion would be in introduction, examples of AI and the types of AI. We'll have a short discussion on subfields of artificial intelligence and some examples. then application of AI and its impact on education. We'll have a quick look of all this. Then we'll move on to see more important part that is going to be very, very beneficial for you and for all of us. Then we'll be discussing AI-powered content creation and generative artificial intelligence. You might have heard this term. We'll be discussing that. We'll discuss the recent trends in AI for education sector. And the more focus would be on AI tools. So let us begin with introduction. With the background that we just had, let us begin with introduction. Artificial intelligence. Artificial is one word, intelligence is one word. Hindi mein artificial ko kehte hain कृत्रिम intelligence. We all know what it is. What is it? It is the ability to comprehend. It is the ability to understand and profit from experience. Even a small child, when he's in the lap of his mother, he starts learning many things. Either you're whistling or some sort of songs or some sort of the movement, everything. And through that visuals and through that sounds, it starts accumulating in the mind of the child and the kid, and they start learning. So the more they learn, the more they become knowledgeable, and the more they become able to understand the things. So intelligence may further be, defined as a general mental capability that involves the ability to reason, to plan, to solve problems, to think critically and abstractly, comprehend ideas and language, and keep on learning. It is effectively perceiving and interpreting and responding to the environment. Say for example, एक बच्चा है, उसने लाल चीज कोई देखी, उसको छुआ, टच किया, तो पता लगा वो आग थी, उसका हाथ जल गया. Next time, whenever he sees something red, he would not try to touch it. Why? He has learned, right? So this is a very simple example of intelligence. So what happens? We use our past experience into the present situation, and we act and react accordingly. So there are many elements which intelligence must be able to do. What are those? Perceive, reason and infer, solve problems, learn and adapt, apply common sense, apply analogy, recall. जो बातें हमने सीखी है उसको वापस रिकॉल करना. अप्लाई इंट्यूशन, किसी चीज का अंदाजा लगाना जिसको कहते हैं. रीच इमोशनल स्टेट्स, अचीविंग सेल्फ अवेयरनेस. So these are the elements of intelligence. And what is artificial intelligence? This is natural intelligence. If we are making a machine to do the same way, to show the same behavior of intelligence, the situation would be known as artificial intelligence. So in simple terms, artificial intelligence is the study of how to make or how to program the machine, the computers, to do the things that people do better. It is the art of creating machines which can perform functions that require intelligence when performed by people. It is the ability of machine to perform the task that typically require human intelligence, such as perception, such as reasoning, such as learning, such as decision making. And this can be achieved through a combination of many techniques like machine learning, like natural language processing, like computer vision, and many other techniques. So all these techniques together make artificial intelligence a reality. Now let us see what AI is and how it works. AI or artificial intelligence is designed to mimic human intelligence through machines. Means it is to mimic human intelligence in its ability to perceive, in its ability to reason, to learn, to make decisions. And decisions are informed decisions. So it works by analyzing and processing a vast amount of data using algorithms, the programs, and models to identify patterns and accordingly make predictions. As it processes more data, AI systems learn more. So you create a model, trained model of AI, and you keep on adding new data. And as it plays with that data, as it processes that data, it learns more and more and more, and gradually it improves, like the way we improve. As we learn more and more, we ask students to learn more and more. And the more they learn, the more they have understanding of the things and accumulation of knowledge, and the more they will be able to make use of those knowledge to take decisions, informed decisions, take actions in a new situation. Artificial intelligence is a multidisciplinary field, and it has its application in computer science, cognitive science, psychology, philosophy, linguistics, neuroscience. Some examples of AI applications includes, we all know these terms, the chatbots, the virtual assistants, the self-driving cars, image recognitions softwares, fraud detection system. They're all examples of artificial intelligence, application of artificial intelligence. AI is also used in variety of industries as well, including healthcare industry. It is being used in finance industry. It is being used in manufacturing. It is being used in entertainment. So it has immense possibility of use in many diverse areas. And so is the area of education. Before we move to that area, let us see the types of artificial intelligence. Broadly, say there are three types of artificial intelligence. One is known as narrow AI or artificial nano intelligence. In short form, we write it as ANI. And this is the most common form of artificial intelligence and is designed to perform a specific task or to solve particular problems in a particular domain. For example, we make use of, Alexa and Siri and Google Assistant. So they are for a specific domain. Another type of AI is general AI, that is also known as artificial general intelligence, AGI. And this is not a practical system. It is a hypothetical concept where a machine understands and performs many different types of tasks based on its own reasoning and understanding, which is very much similar to human intellect, human intelligence. So AGI or artificial general intelligence or general AI system, they would be able to perform reasoning tasks. They could be able to think abstractly. They can learn from experiences, and they would be able to solve new problems without being explicitly programmed for them. But as I said, that is not a practical system. It is hypothetical concept. Another category of AI is super AI, which is also known as ASI, artificial super intelligence. What is it? It is again a theoretical concept, not a practical system, where the intelligence of a machine, it surpasses all forms of human intelligence in all aspects. And this kind of super AI would be able to outperform humans in every function. But as I said, it is theoretical. So it has not yet been achieved, and it is in the realm of science fictions only. Based on AI, as I said, that the AI which is available today is narrow AI or weak AI. That is also known as ANI, artificial nano intelligence. We have different types of machines. One of them is reactive machine. These AI systems are designed to react to a specific situation and perform pre-programmed action. And they do not have memory or the ability to learn from experience. Next category is limited memory. These AI systems, they can store and recall previous experiences to inform their actions. But they still have limited capabilities and cannot reason beyond their programmed rules. So they are in a specific or particular domain. Next is theory of mind. These artificial intelligence systems can understand human emotions, human beliefs, and human intentions, and use this information to interact with humans more effectively. And the next category is self-aware AI. These AI systems can not only understand human emotions and beliefs and intention, rather, they would also be able to have a sense of self-awareness and consciousness, which is typical to human. And this kind of system is not in practical today. Let us see the examples of all four types of AIs. Reactive machines, all the ATMs that you use, they are example of reactive machines. The calculators and the thermostator controllers, they are example of reactive machines. For limited memory, self-driving cars, fraud detection systems, I'm sorry, I have a call, sorry. Fraud detection system and personal assistants like, as I said, Siri, which is available in iPhones, Alexa, which is available in Android phones also, are example of limited memory AI. Social robots, customer service chatbots, virtual assistants with personality are the examples of this kind of AI, which is known as theory of mind AI. And as I said, that self-aware AI is still in the realm of science fiction, and they have not been achieved or created yet. The comparison of various types of AI, let us have a quick look. Reactive machines, they are the simplest type of artificial intelligence and have limited functionality, while self-aware AI is the most complex and advanced type of AI, but they do not exist yet. Limited memory and theory of mind AI, they fall in between these two extremes and have varying levels of capabilities and limitations. It is important for us to understand that the type of AI, because understanding the different types of AI will help us to better understand the current state of the artificial intelligence technology, as well as the potential of the future of artificial intelligence development. And it can also help us to evaluate the benefits and risks of the artificial intelligence in different contexts, and to develop the ethical guidelines and to develop rules and regulations for its use. There are various subfields of artificial intelligence, and you might have heard these names. These are machine learning, these are natural language processing, computer vision, robotics. They're all examples of subfields of artificial intelligence. This subfield, the machine learning field, it focuses on developing the machine algorithm and models that allow machines to learn and improve their performance over a period of time based on the data which are input to them. And there are several types of machine learning, including supervised learning, unsupervised learning, semi-supervised learning, reinforcement learning. So you might have come across all these names. Natural language processing is again a subfield of artificial intelligence, which focuses on developing the algorithms and models which enable computers to understand, to interpret and generate human languages, any kind of language. And accordingly, the algorithms and models will be developed for English, for Hindi, for Urdu, for Bengali, for Odia, for Telugu, for various types of languages. So application of NLP include a speech recognition. It includes sentiment analysis. When we write a sentence, what sentiment is being expressed through the sentence, where I am happy, where I am unhappy, right? That is a lot of reviews which are given by customers to various products that we buy. So they are all reviews. That through those reviews the sentiments are analyzed. And another form of language, natural language processing, is language translation from one language to another language. And you might have used it, or you must be using it on Google platform. So you can understand, you can change any type of language to any other type of language. Although in many cases you may find that it is not that perfect. But as I said, that machine models are there with continuous use and additional input data. The models are learning. They are being trained. So gradually, they are with a lot of training, they will be more smart, and their performance will be much better as we'll keep on using them. Computer vision is another subfield of AI that focuses on developing algorithms and models that allows computers to interpret and analyze visual informations, such as images, the information in form of videos, in form of pictures. An application of computer vision include object recognition, face recognition, autonomous vehicle recognition, right? Many, there are cameras, AI trained deep learning cameras, which are known as ANPR, automated number plate recognition cameras. Through this computer vision, they read the number plates. They read the logo, the color, and many other things. And they, give results, outputs to the perfection. And they're all practical systems which are in use today. Robotics is another subfield which focuses on developing intelligent machine that can perceive, reason, and act in the physical world. Application of robotics include manufacturing, in healthcare, in exploration, and many such areas. We all know that various types of robots are being developed today. The examples of these subfields of AI are image recognition softwares, recommender systems, fraud detection systems. They are example of machine learning application. Alexa, Siri, chatbots, language translation softwares. They are all examples of natural language processing application or softwares. Self-driving cars, security cameras, as I just discussed, the ANPR camera, automated number plate recognition camera, medical imaging softwares. They are all examples of computer vision applications. That they're all, you know, they're all in use. They are in practical use, and they are serving robotics, industrial robots, surgical robots. You might have heard that there are many surgeries which are done through robots, and they are known as robotic surgery. So very fine surgery is being done through the use of these surgical robots. And there are many service robots. As you can see that nowadays drone systems are being used to carry items from one place to another place for providing services. You order for medicine, and a drone camera will locate your house, and it will reach your house, and you'll receive that medicines. You'll receive edible items, right? Although their use are limited, but in the days to come, we'll have access to such technologies, and we will be using it like we started using it in a rush during COVID. We started using online technologies. Application of AI and its impact on education. Let us see application of AI. As I said, that AI has vast application in healthcare, in e-commerce, in logistic industry, in education. And as you can see, in healthcare, intelligent treatment and diagnosis, intelligent devices, medical robots, intelligent health management, intelligent drug research. All these are the areas where in healthcare where it is being applied. In e-commerce, intelligent shopping guide, warehousing logistics, recommending engine. There are systems which recommend you that which system you buy, which performs comparison shopping for you. They're all AI intelligent, AI-based systems. Sales and inventory forecast systems, image search systems, which are very much used in e-commerce area. For logistic industry, UAV delivery, I just talk about the drone-based delivery, autopilot, auto sorting, intelligent logistics planning, intelligent scheduling, etc. These are the applications of AI in logistic industry. And the same way, in our case, for education industry or in education system, there are various applications of AI. Say, for example, AI-based proctored examination, any unmanned examination, where no human being is there, and AI-based system is doing all that. Automatic grading system, virtual facilitators, adaptive learning system, smart content generation system. So there are many applications of AI in education. It has its own benefits, it has its own challenges, and it has its own applications. As I said, we have applications of AI in education in the form of intelligent tutoring systems, in the form of personalized learning systems, in the form of assessment automation systems. And as we use AI in education, we come across various challenges like data privacy and security, the bias and discrimination, plagiarism and academic integrity. All these issues we will be discussing in a few moments now. In the same way, there are many benefits that we accrue through application of AI. Challenges. Why AI in education? And the challenges in traditional education system. In traditional education system, we have one size fits all approach. एक ही तरह का approach है, हर तरह का लड़का, हर तरह. There are students, कुछ उसमें fast learner होते हैं, कुछ slow learner होते हैं, किसी की language की problem होती है, किसी को. If I use Hindi as well, I think it will do. Participants? Excuse me?
Yes, sir.
I mean, if I mix,
No, sir, no.
if I be bilingual, will there be any problem?
No, sir, no
Okay,
problem, no
no, sir,
problem.
no, sir, no problem, sir.
No, sir,
So,
no, sir.
so one size fits all approach, we all understand that one curriculum, one pace of learning, one way of examining students, everything. It is not tailor made. So that is one of the challenge or problem of the traditional education system. Another important point is limited access to quality education. See, in good universities, in IITs, in AMU, in JNU, these universities are resource-rich universities. There are specialists who are in education, teaching, as well as in researches. But same is not the case with state universities and colleges. So that is another important challenge. Teacher workload and burnout. The educators or teachers, they face immense pressure to cater to diverse student needs while managing administrative tasks, while grading, while planning the lessons. So we are all having a lot of workload. That is another challenge. Lack of timely feedback. You know, in traditional assessment method, when the a student learn, they do not immediately get the feedback. Our a way of assessing the students is different. And if they are learning in a wrong way, there is no one to point out that no, whatever is learning, you should learn like this. What you have learned is wrong. You should have this. This is the right thing, right? So we leave it to the students. They're learning of their own. What are the benefits if we use AI in education? It brings a lot of opportunities. Say, for example, personalized learning. As I said, that every individual has his own learning style, has his own pace of learning, has his own way of remembering things, has his some students जिसको कहते हैं रट्टा लगाना, memorize it. Some students, they write it. Some start from the beginning to the end. Some only begin with studying in a summarized form. So there are different students and different way of learning. Their learning styles are different. So there are diverse learning styles, and AI has the capacity to address this issue. Another important thing is adaptive learning. See, when I learn something and you are learning something, you may be very fast in learning, I may be slow in learning. So based on the assessment, how much I have learned, I should be given further task to do, right? In traditional system, this is not possible. But in AI-based system, what will happen? The system will assess adaptively to the student in many different ways. And based on this, it will be able to assess the knowledge and skill set that the learner has. And based on that, means that if there are 10 concepts and if a student has 3 concepts already learned, so he will be given more advanced version of it, 4th concept. And there is another student who has learned only 1 concept, so he will be given 2nd concept or 3rd concept to learn, right? So adaptability is another important aspect which is feasible, possible through AI. It further provides an opportunity for improved student engagement and efficient resource allocations. Then accessibility and inclusivity. More people in India, they live in diverse and far-flung areas. So if we have this kind of a system, a student would be able to access it online, and through adaptability, through personalization, through accessibility, and through allocation, efficiently allocation of resources, we will be able to tap the students who are living in far-flung areas, and we can include more learners into our system, which is not possible today with the limited number of universities that we discussed in my opening remark. Lifelong learning and skill set development. We keep on learning throughout, right? But when we learn new things, we are not certified. In online education, it is possible that if I learn something and there is a possibility that I can give examination, and if I pass that examination, I will be certified. There are possibilities. There are numbers of online courses which are being offered, right? So what we do through MOOCs, through Moodles, through SWAYAM platform, and through Udemy, there are many such online platforms. You learn things. Once you learn and you're satisfied that you have learned it well, you can go for examination. You will have to pay fee. And once you pass, you will get the certificates. And this is what is going to happen in the new education policy. Government has made it mandatory for students to have 20 to 40 courses online in new educational policy. And you must be knowing that. Plus, it allows data-driven decision making. A lot of, educator and administrator is provided with a lot of data regarding the learners, regarding the performance, demographic trends, right? So based on that, since educators are more informed, they will be in a better position to take an informed decision, a right decision. And another important benefit is efficient administrative process. So overall, integration of AI into educational settings has the potential of transforming teaching and learning process and to enhance the students' outcomes and to create more inclusive and equitable educational environment, especially in Indian context. So by utilizing the power of AI technologies responsibly as well as ethically, I'm focusing on the teachers, the educators, we can unlock new opportunities for innovation and effectiveness in education. We have intelligent tutoring system. Many systems available. It is the most advanced approach for education, which allows technology to provide personalized guidance and support to students. And these systems, they utilize AI and machine learning algorithm to adapt to the individual learner needs, to individual learner preferences, and to keep track of the progress of the student, to give feedbacks. So the key features of these technology are adaptivity, as we discussed. It is able to give feedback. It is interactive, means it is more engaging, keeps the learner engaged, and it keeps track of the progress, as well as based on that tracking, it gives the feedback. So that gives more and more chance for learner to learn the things. And studies have shown that ITS can lead to a significant improvement in learning outcomes across various subjects and grade levels. And some of the key features are improved mastery. It has been found that ITS is able to help a student to achieve higher levels of mastery and retention compared to traditional classroom, traditional model, by providing personalized support and targeted feedback. ITS can address individual learning needs more efficiently. Another important feature is increased engagement. As I said, it is interactive, so it is able to engage students in a more way and not in a strict time like we do in schools and colleges. Students can learn at will during their free time, whenever and wherever it is. Enhanced problem solving skills. ITS can facilitate the development of critical thinking and problem solving skills by presenting students with challenging tasks and guiding them through the problem solving processes. through practice and feedback, the learners can improve their ability to analyze problems, to apply concepts, and to develop solutions independently without any teacher or educator. Another important part is closing achievement gap. One of the most significant advantage of intelligent tutoring system is their ability to address individual differences in learning styles, in learning preferences and abilities. By offering personalized instructions and support, the ITS can help bridge the achievement gaps and promote equity in education. So this is all about. Let us see, and this is very important part. I would like you to have more attentive now. I'll go rather fast because we have limited time. I have to finish it by 5 p.m. Some of the examples of AI-powered tutoring system. I've just discussed about the quality of intelligent tutoring system. One of the system that you can easily find online, developed by Carnegie Mellon University, called Carnegie Learning, which offers tutoring system for maths, for English and technological know-how. Its Mathia device is known for providing personalized help and training to college students. In the same way, Dreambox. See, as a teacher, I repeat, I must tell you that we need to know what is there. Then we will start practicing and using one particular system and we can have mastery over it. But at least we must know that what is there for us that is going to help. So I would request all of you, be ready with your pen and paper and note it down. Dreambox is another such AI-powered tutoring system. Newton, it is a promising AI-powered tutoring system. I Talk to Learn, it is an online learning system for primary school students. The system uses machine learning to create personalized lessons and plans. Third is Space Learning. Tutor.ai, it is an AI-based tutoring platform that connects students with tutors. Gradescope, an AI-powered grading tool that streamlines the grading processes of students and instructors. Now, next two things which we have developed at Department of Computer Science, AMU. One is EL Guide, which was developed by the course coordinator, Professor Asim Zafar. He has developed this AI-powered adaptive e-learning system, and it is very much used. Another system which has been learned by yours truly, I have developed it as a part of my PhD thesis. Pebbles, it is another AI-powered system, which is Pebbles stands for Personalized E-Portfolio-Based E-Learning System, which has been developed here at Department of Computer Science, Aligarh Muslim University, and it's a part of my work in PhD. So, intelligent tutoring system have also been developed for training in geography, for circuits, for medical diagnosis, for computer literacy, for programming, for genetics, for chemistry, for biology, for mathematics. And I have seen the list of participants. You are all from diverse background. So many intelligent tutoring systems are available. You just have check it on Google and you will find something for yourself and you can start using it. The more early, the more quickly you become conversant of using, because see, the future, I have already told you in the very beginning, we are not going to have 4,000 or 5,000 university in the days to come. So we have, and in order to cater the need of the millions of students, youths in future by 2030, will have to address their learning needs, their educational needs through online mediums, AI supported mediums only. Some example of AI-based assessment systems. Majority of the tutoring system that we discussed, they are all having assessment module as well. There are AI-based proctoring system where we take examinations, right? So AI-based proctoring is an automated virtual proctoring system which monitors the candidates, examinees, and his environment during the assessment duration while they are giving examination. And this AI-based proctoring system mainly deters and detects any suspicious activity done by candidate or nearby automatically whenever he tries to cheat or using unfair means. The AI proctoring solution typically involves few of the important features that we had discussed. Facial recognition. Any student sit before the camera, like I am sitting before you, and my face is already there in database, so that AI system matches it and through facial recognition. And these technologies are available in our mobile phone as well. Browser lockdown. What happens when you are giving online examination? This type of AI proctoring system, it locks down the browser and thereby it limits the ability to access external websites or applications during the examination. So examinee will not be able to access Google or anything else to open. In the same way, a screen monitoring is another feature. It monitors the screen to detect any suspicious activity, such as if the student is switching between various windows which are open and a student is doing cut and paste activity, it keeps track on that. And it blocks the system if a student tries to do that. Next is keystroke analysis. The AI-based proctoring system analyzes the keystrokes to detect unusual typing patterns by the examiner. So he's taking examination from remote areas where individual teachers are not there physically. Audio analysis. Through this feature, the AI-based proctoring system, it monitors the audio to detect the background video. Say, I am giving the examination, someone may be sitting nearby and dictating me. So it detects the background noise and background audio. And if it finds anything fishy, it blocks the system. Real-time monitoring. Human proctor through AI system alert. What happens? There are human proctors who are sitting in, say, for example, somewhere in the university, and students are all over across the India, and these videos are coming, and these human monitor, they are watching their videos, and the AI based proctoring system, they are giving alerts on the screen of human proctors, and accordingly they are blocking the examinees. Recorded sessions. Many of the AI proctoring system have this feature. They record the entire duration of the examination, and it is recorded for future analysis. In case any unfair means is recorded, that the video will be like it is done in CCTV footage. So if something wrong has happened, it is utilized to find out how it happened, right? So that is known as auditing in technical terms. So it is used as an audit. These are some of the examples of top online software with AI proctoring features. Their ratings are there. Online Exam Marker, ProctorU, Metal, ProProctor, Proctorio. You can take a screenshot if you want to have it. Remidu, Proctor Examination, Honor Log, blah, 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 and many more. Some of them, many of them, they provide a free demo use, and once you find it appropriate for yourself, there are various pricing. So based on licensing, how many users will use based on all that, and these are showing their best features, right? I think we should move on. Ethical consideration, as we discussed, when we use AI, there are various considerations which are ethical consideration, and one of them is data privacy. See, the AI-powered educational system can collect a large amount of data, like mobile phones or various apps that we download on our mobile phones. it takes, permission to access our contact list, our pictures, our microphone, our camera and all. So that is very dangerous. It keeps on recording our data. What will happen with that data, we never know. Majority of the facilities that we take, that is for free. So that data which is gathered about ourselves, that is stored somewhere else, and it can be misused. And thereby it can disturb our privacy. So in the same way in education, the various kind of data of education of the learners, that should not be misused. It is very important aspect. Another important thing is the algorithm which are created, means the AI algorithm, which should not be biased. The fairness of algorithm is a must. Next important aspect is digital divide. There are many who are having mobile phone, but they do not know how to make best use of that mobile phone, that technology. They have data. So the digital literacy is not there, or there are places where this technology has not reached yet. So this gap is known as digital divide. So that is very important. If we want to address the global audience in education, we need to provide two important things: technologies availability at everywhere, anywhere, all the time, 24/7. And not only that, we need to train the buyer of the technology how to make best use of that technology. That skill set is very important, and we need to provide that. The last one is transparency and accountability. AI algorithm used in education should be transparent, should be explainable and accountable. The educators, mean teachers, and the students and the other stakeholders, they should have the visibility into how that AI system makes decisions and how it makes recommendations, including the underlying criteria and including the assumptions. This requires developers to provide documentation and explanation of AI model, which is very important. So whenever you are going to buy this kind of tool or product, you need to have such transparency available. Now let us see, as a teacher, we need to create content, and there are various e-content, e-development tools available. What are the AI-powered content creation tools which are available? Let us see. One is generative AI, artificial intelligence. We all know about ChatGPT. Generative AI refers to the use of artificial intelligence to create new content like text, like images, like music, like audio, like videos. It will automatically create things for you based on the basic input. It will create a letter. It will create a note. It will create a speech. In the same way, give textual description, it will create image for you. Give a story, it will create entire film, entire video. Give the lyrics and it will create music for you. It will create video for you. It will create audio for you. Might have heard that a particular song sung by Lata Mangeshkar, and the music is used, and the voice of Lata Mangeshkar is replaced by the voice of Rafi, the voice of Kishore Kumar. In the same way, if you train the model with your voice, it will replace the voice of Rafi with your voice. So it has that kind of capability, and this kind of systems are available. So generative AI is powered by foundation model, which is a large AI model that can multitask and perform out of the box task, including summarization, including question answer, including classification, and many more. And common generative AI application, as I said, ChatGPT is there, which is used for text generation, which is used for language translation, which is used as a chatbot, which is used as a content creation. Many of you might be using it. It has been created by OpenAI, a company, and this is the link. You just click it and you can go there and you just register yourself with your Google Mail ID if you have, or any other email ID, and you can start using it. So it is available for free. If you're using a Windows Explorer, rather it is now known as Edge, and it has Bing. Bing has inherent ChatGPT, latest ChatGPT 4.5, I think it is there. And for free, if you are using OpenAI directly, so for free, ChatGPT 3.4 version means it has older model, older information model available. Based on that, it has not, it has no availability or access to the latest information. So for a certain period, say for example, for 2022 data, for 2023 data, but the advanced one will have most recent data with it. In the same way, Jukebox is another generative AI application which is used for music composition, AI-based music composition, generating musics for videos and games. As I said, you can make use of it. And this is the URL, https jukebox.openai.com. The same company, OpenAI. I hope you are following it or enjoying it. Yes or no? Just give me a response.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Very much enjoying.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Very good. Very.
Just so I would request you just to take a screenshot of all this. Runway ML is another generative artificial intelligence application which is used for creating visual art, video editing, for creative coding. Teapart is another desktop-based application which is used for creating artistic style transfer, generating artwork based on users' input. Art Breeder, there are immense such. These are the few that I'm sharing, and the best one I'm sharing with you. Art Breeder is another such generative AI application which is capable of creating unique artwork by blending and evolving images. It can do it on its own. DALL-E, it is again, as you can see, by OpenAI. This is the most famous company. It is capable of creating images from textual description. So just type that, create a scene with a lake and a mountain in the background with trees. Just based on this textual description, it will create a painting, an image for you. So this is how artificial intelligence is useful for us. NVIDIA Gauguin is another such very useful generative AI application which is used for creating photorealistic images from simple sketches. GAN Paint Studio by MIT and IBM Watson Lab, AI Lab. It is used for editing and manipulating images using GAN. Generative adversarial networks. GAN stands for Generative Adversarial Networks. So GAN Paint, you might have used Paint as an application in Windows, but this GAN Paint is generative AI intelligent application. IBM Watson is another such application by IBM. It has various AI capabilities, including language understanding, image analysis, it can analyze image, and many more. And it is also used for various business applications. Now, what is GPT? GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. It is a type of machine learning algorithm which uses deep learning and a large database of training text to generate new text. You give training text and it will create new text from that text. And it can further use that created text and it train itself for furthermore. So it keep on training itself. So it become more and more smarter the more and more it is used. GPT models are designed to generate human-like text in response to a prompt and can be used for a variety of tasks, including answering questions, including generating contents. In editing contents, you can just create PowerPoint slides on a particular topic. Give topic and say create PowerPoint slides and create PowerPoint slide for you. Editing contents, for summarizing text, you give a bulk, a big set, it can summarize it for you. It can translate text, and it can be used for brainstorming ideas. Now, India has its own attempt at GPT. We talked about OpenAI. So one company called Core Over AI, it is an Indian human-centric conversational and generative AI platform which offers cost-effective solution for customers. With over 235 million users already have some of its products, which is very much Indian products. One is AskSarkar.com, Pakki Jankari, which is a new app by Indian government which allows users to chat and access accurate information about any government using your tablet or mobile phone. You just download it and start using it. In the same way, Ask Disha, ITC chatbot. Many of you will be using IRCTC website for, for various purposes related to railways and all. Booking tickets, allowing tickets, looking for availability of trains and blah, blah, blah. So this AI-powered chatbot revolutionizes user interaction by providing audio response and comprehensive train information, enhancing convincing and accessibility. So it is very, very useful. I used it last night and it's a wonderful, application. In the same way, like ChatGPT, Bharat GPT is another generative intelligence tool or chatbot integrated for voice modality in more than 12 Indian languages. 12 भारतीय भाषाएं जिसमें English, Hindi, Urdu, Bengali, Tamil, Telugu, ये सब, and 22 languages for text modality with National Hub of Language Technology, a platform developed by Digital India, which is implementing National Language Translation Mission under the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, Government of India. And the platform offers enterprise-friendly feature and reduces the burden of GPUs, graphical processing units, and it ensures data security, swift implementation, and aligns with India's mission of Make in India. So it is something we all should be proud of, India's version of GPT. A Sneh AI is an artificial intelligence powered chatbot housed on Facebook Messenger. You can access it on Facebook Messenger. The chatbot provides a secure, personalized, and non-judgmental space for young people to share concerns and learn about issues related to reproductive health as well as digital safety. See, we all know in our society it is a taboo. We cannot talk to our daughters, our ladies in the house regarding the reproductive health, regarding sex and all. So for them, it is a wonderful tool. Reliance Jio chatbot, which is to be launched in March 2024. Till yesterday, I have checked. It was not launched, but soon it is to be launched. It will focus on application across various sectors such as education, linguistic service for indigenous languages, agriculture, customer services, content creation. So GPT for Indian languages has already been created. Now let us see what are the recent trends in AI education. Chatbots, we discussed, expert systems are being developed, intelligent tutors or intelligent agents are, we have just discussed about their pros and cons, machine learning, personalized learning systems, or personalized learning environment, visualization and virtual learning environment. These are all new trends which are coming up, and we have discussed about it in the very beginning. So I don't think to waste much time in discussing this. Language learning application. We all try to learn language. As a kid, when we grow, we learn language, but we learn local language. If it is Bengali, it is Bengali, Bhojpuri, or English, or Hindi, or Urdu, or Tamil, or Telugu. But to learn other languages, which is not the native language of mother tongue, we need to learn. Majority of us are English is our second language, right? So there are number of learning apps which are available, which can be accessed, and you can learn. Some of them you need to pay for. Some of them are available for free. And as majority of us carry handheld device, mobile device, be it mobile phone, smartphone, or tab, we make use of that in learning. So that is known as mobile language learning. It is a subset of mobile learning which provides a mobile assisted language learning environment, and we can make use of that. So a number of such things are available on the net. Next. Here I would need your attention. AI tools. As a teacher, we spend a significant amount of time on non-teaching tasks, which can be automated with AI. Right? So that's why we need AI tools. AI tools can revolutionize the way we as a teacher prepare lessons and deliver them to the audience or students. There is a wide range of AI tools which are available for us, the educators, to explore how we can make use of them in our teaching and learning process. By leveraging AI, we as a teacher can save time and focus more on engaging with students. The use of artificial intelligence in classroom can enhance the teaching and learning experience, and AI can assist in creating personalized resources and tailored lesson plans for individual students. AI tools can streamline grading and improving communication between teachers and students. So slow learners, they can access teachers with their slow pace. Fast learners, they can have access to teachers with their pace, and there are tools which can support them in solving their problems. And as a teacher, we will be able to guide that, use this tool to solve your problem. So some of the tools, see, slidesai.io, it is available on this, is used to generate slides on Google Slides. We all have Gmail account. Just click in and see a number of bundled, that is known as Google Space. Google Suite is available. So wherein you find email, where you find Google Classroom, where you find Google Meet, where you find Google, word processing application, a spreadsheet application, PowerPoint presentation application, blah, blah, and many more. So you can make use of slides.io, and you can generate slides on Google Slides, making the presentation creative process faster and easier. See, I can play this video for you. Is the audio available to you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
वीडियो देख पा रहे हैं और इसकी आवाज सुन पा रहे हैं?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You can find this video, and I have put it on the slide just for your understanding. How to make use of this tool to create your slides in Google Slides. Next is Paper AI. It has many versions. Its basic version allows you to create quizzes and tests using various sources such as topic search, pasting text, uploading PDFs, or translating videos. You just bring your PDF file, give it to it. It will automatically read the file and create questions out of it. Wonderful thing. So using this, you can create quizzes and tests. And you have not to worry. You just hand over your topic or your learning chapters of your book, and it will automatically PDF form, and it will automatically read and create questions and quizzes for you. It's a wonderful tool. I think most of us should be able to use it, and it is available at app.prepai.io. You can download it on your mobile phone as well. Prep AI, note it down. Next is Tome. It is a versatile tool that simplifies the creation of visually appealing presentation and stories. Its AI generated text and images save time and efforts. Just have a look on. See how it did. You just wrote that status presentation, and it is, see how it is creating. On this area, it is creating slides. So how useful this tool is, you can understand that. Next is Pictory. It offers option to create videos, including articles to videos, text editing, visuals to video. Just give visuals and it will convert it into video, and a script to video. The tool provides, you give it a script, it will create a video. The tool provides easy editing options for text, visuals, and audio, allowing users to customize their videos according to their needs. So just have a look at it. I think it is visible to you. Let us move on. This is QueryPod, another very useful application that creates lesson, slide decks, polls, and questions instantly. QueryPod, just note it down. Next is Wisdolia. It allows you to create instant flashcards for videos. You give it a video, it creates flashcard. We use flashcard पेपर पे लिख के छोटी छोटी बातें याद कीजिए, हम पहले रखते थे मेमोराइज करने के लिए. So it creates flashcard from videos, or you give it PDF. There are number of concepts there. It will create flashcards for you. You give a website, and based on the content on the website, it will create flashcard video for you. So it's a wonderful application. The same way, Perplexity.ai. It is another very important tool. Conquer AI, another very important tool. Gamma, another. See, I have very few minutes left. I would like you to quickly see AI powered tool that allows you to create presentation, documents, or web pages. You can make use of it. Wonderful tool. Next. One session is not sufficient for completing this, but I'm going quickly. Grade score. In the same way, Alayana provides guidance for teachers by offering prompts and resources for lesson planning. So it's a wonderful tool. Just note it down. Alayana. Now let us see more tools. These are the tools for writing. ChatSonic, ChatABC, Jasper AI, QuillBolt. We have already discussed about ChatGPT. So ChatSonic is just like ChatGPT. For coding purpose, these are the tools. Program coding, Copilot, it is a tool. Tab9, Mutable AI, Safurai, 10 Webs, they're all code writing tools. They create software codes. I hope you are all saving it. Next is for research purpose. PaperPal, Perplexity, UChat, Elicity, Elicit. These are all research tools, AI tools. You just note it down. For Twitter, which is now known as X, we have TweetMonk, TribeScaler, Postwise, Tweetify. AI-powered thread publishing tool automatically write, schedule, and publish Twitter tweets and threads seamlessly. Grow your engagement on Twitter with analytics and metrics. These are the tools which create various, just it reads. For content creation, we had WriteSonic, Tome, Copysmith. We have for images, these tools, Midjourney, Stock Images, Night Cafe, Photosonic. I'm very sorry, I have no time, so I'm finishing quickly. For audio, we have Murph AI, Speechify, Lovo AI, Media AI, and many more. See, Lovo AI, it provides human-like AI, voice cover, and TTS, which I have just talked about. For presentation, we have Beautiful AI, Simplified, Slides Go, Send Steps. इससे पहले भी हमने कुछ पढ़ा था. To create resume, we have automatic AI-based tools. Kick Resume, Resi AI, Resume AI, Enhance CV. Text to voice, right? Whatever text is there, it can automatically convert it to voice. This is a wonderful tool for visually challenged person. Videos, editing tools. For a spreadsheet, we have already discussed. For music, another set of tools. Workspace, as I shown, that see, this is online meeting summarizer. We are doing an online meeting, right? This is a tool which will record the entire online meeting, capture and share insights from your meeting. Otter.ai. This is the site, just note it down. AI tool. It records meeting, it takes notes in the real time and generates an automated summary to share with everyone and to help you remember everything. If I could have used it, I would have provided you in the end all these things. Right? I could have played it, but I have very little time, so I'm going fast. This is mutable AI I've just discussed. It creates code. See how it creates code. I click tic-tac-toe game. See, it has created code for tic-tac-toe game that we use. How useful it is. It will automatically create code. So for programmer, it is a huge challenge. In the same way, this is Midjourney AI. See how it works. Just give it, and it will automatically create. So people from Bihar, Telangana women will look like this, Jharkhand women, West Bengal women, Nagaland women. See, just give it a textual instruction, and it will create image for you. So how useful it is. This is deepfake, something very interesting. See, a deepfake is a manipulated image or video or audio recording which appears real but has been altered through artificial intelligence. As you can see on the screen, deepfake can make someone appear to be doing or saying something that they did not actually do. For example, an artist and an advertisement company may create a deepfake of cricketer Mahendra Singh Dhoni saying things which he had never said. Like the video that you are seeing. See, this is a deepfake video which is showing Obama this student, this person is saying something, and it is showing Barack Obama saying like this. So that is deep fake. These two are the sites, deepfake webs and deepfake gram, and there are other many. So you can make use of it. You can create video as well. You can create images. See, this is my photo, and through deepfake, I have created these images. You can see my video on the screen. How do I look like? I just gave it my video, and it is created these images. So through deepfake, you can create different kind of images. This is how I would look like when I would be young and in this attire, in this attire. So on a given picture, it takes the features of my face and that imposes it, and it makes it a picture that looks real. It is not me actually. It was someone else who was claimed, but through deepfake, it has been made possible. Another important feature is genealogy. MyHeritage is an online genealogy and DNA testing platform that provides service related to family history and heritage. If you want to know that where your forefathers have come from, you get your DNA tested and share this result with MyHeritage, and it will give you that the details of your, it has the model which will check that who were your forefathers and where from they have migrated to India, right? And it has many different features like AI time machine, like deep nostalgia, like AI record finder, like AI biographer. See, this is the picture which I gave to MyHeritage, which is a low grade picture. So first it has created this picture, and then I gave this picture, and I created a deep nostalgia. With this picture only, it has created this image, this video. So you may have your grandfathers, grandparents, great grandparents who have died, and through just you give the picture to MyHeritage, and it will make it a good quality picture. Then you hand it over to MyHeritage, and through deep nostalgia, it will create a short video like this. And this kind of video became very famous when recently the image of the idol of Lord Rama, which was placed in Ram temple, it was image of that was given to MyHeritage, and it had created similar effect, and that had taken the entire people all over India, that they thought that it literally happened that Lord Rama was blinking eye and smiling. So this was the video, and you can further make it this video speak through AI biographer. This is one thing I have created with this video, and I have written text which it will read. Say, for example, if you can listen to this. This is me taking about my parents and my family. If it is audible to you, आप तक आवाज जा रही है? आप तक मेरी आवाज जा रही है?
नहीं
है सर, आ रही है।
नहीं सर।
See, it depends how much text I give, and this video, this particular, it is me, which has been created through this tool, MyHeritage. And it seems as if I am speaking it, although this is not I have done. DALL-E is another very important tool. Just it creates artwork. You just give it, place all the most famous pictures, and it will combine it into one picture and give it to, so it is very useful. Give it a textual description, and it will create image for you. This is how it is combining various individual pictures into one image, as you can see on the screen. So it is very useful for artwork. ChatGPT, most of you must have used. When you will open it, it will look like this. Herein you will type. For example, it is typing suggest trending topic in research topic in English, and see, this is how it generates text. Now, this is a very, very important tool. So we can go on and on and on. The final word is that we must make use of AI. We must be able to understand the potential of AI. It is not important for you as a teacher to be an expert in artificial intelligence. Rather, you should be able to make use of AI-driven tools and various types of tools which are available. Some of them are free, some of them are available on subscription basis. So my suggestion to all of you that you look for the opportunity, try to have understanding of more and more such tool, whichever tool that you feel or you find most usable for you, make use of it. Try to create content, because in the days to come, it is, see, you can even be a tutor. You can teach students from your home and can have additional money from home. Your kids, anybody can learn, right? So think about the opportunities that these technologies, ICTs and AI technology, it has immense possibility, and you have immense choice. So I would request all of you to just look at it and think about it, so that you may be able to make use of it in the days to come, because the world is already started it. And in 2024 budget, the government India has allocated a sufficient fund budget for AI in India. So I would request all of you to think about it, try to make it make use of it in your day-to-day applications, and try to make best of it. Thank you very much. Now it is open for question. If you have any question, you may ask, please. Although we have crossed past our allocated time. आप में से कोई सवाल पूछना है तो पूछिए.
Thank you, sir.
कैसा लगा? How did you find this? I just want some feedback.
Very good presentation, sir.
Very good in what sense? The way I presented, or the content that you saw, or both?
Very essential.
Very essential. That's good.
Yes,
So,
sir.
you might have, I mean, you can get my email ID anytime. You can contact me for any sort of help. I would love to help you. We are all colleagues. So with these words, may I say thanks and goodbye to you, because I'm fasting and now it's time. I'll have to reach home and prepare myself for iftar and all. And many of you might also be fasting. So hope
Yes, sir.
you
Yes,
must have
sir.
enjoyed this presentation. I tried my level best to see this much time span which was given to me was not enough. I need at least 2 sessions for this. But next time I would definitely. So thank you so very much. You can leave now. Thank you, Mazhar, if you are there. Mr. Mazhar from UGC HRDCMU, are you there? Thank you, everyone. You can leave now.